Hello friends, good evening to all. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. In my previous video, we discussed the topic infinite series. Specifically, we solved some questions on D'Alembert's ratio test and I gave you an assignment on that topic also. I hope all of you have solved the questions. Now, if you are new to this channel, then after watching this video, you may go to the description of this video where I have provided the links of my previous videos, and you can watch those videos and you may try to solve the questions that are given in the assignments. Now let us start today's topic. Here is the question number 1. We have to evaluate the product. This is n equal to 2 to infinity product, and the expression in the parenthesis, this is an infinite series. Okay, now if you observe carefully, this is nothing but a geometric series only, whose initial term is equal to 1 and common ratio is 1 upon n square. So if you simplify this geometric series, the sum will be given by this formula. You all know this. This is the initial term and this is the common ratio a upon 1 minus r. So actually what we are getting? We are getting 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon n square. This will be the sum of this geometric series. So after simplification you will get what? N square upon n square minus 1. Okay, now let's see the solution. So here is the geometric series. After applying the formula you will get this, and as I told you before that this will be the expression, that is n square upon n square minus 1, and this is nothing but n minus 1 multiplied by n plus 1. Now simply you put the values n equal to 2, you will get this 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1 multiplied by 3, and then you put n equal to 3, you will get this 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4, and you put n equal to 3, 4, so on. Then if you watch carefully, this 2 may be cancelled with this 2, this 3 and this 3 are cancelled, this 3 and this 3 are cancelled, this 4 and this 4 are cancelled, and in the similar pattern this 4 and this 4, here this 5 and this 5 are cancelled, and so on. So finally you will get only 2 upon 1, that is nothing but 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay, let's see the next question. The question number 2 is, you have to find the sum of the series k equals to 1 to infinity k square upon k factorial. Now let's see the solution. So the expression is k equals to 1 to infinity k square upon factorial k. Now if you simplify this expression, what you are going to get? You are going to get k into k upon k multiplied by k minus 1 factorial. So 1k and this k are cancelled, the remaining part will be k upon k minus 1 factorial, and this k is adjusted by writing plus 1 minus 1 with k. So this is the expression. Now if you separate those expression, this will be k equal to 2 to infinity 1 upon factorial k minus 2, and the remaining part will be k equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon factorial of k minus 1. Now observe carefully the limits. The limit here is k equal to 2 to infinity, and here the limit begins with k equal to 1. Now if you simplify this expression, this is k equal to 2 to infinity 1 upon k minus 2 factorial, this is nothing but E. How we are getting this E? Just you put the values k equal to 2, 3 and so on. You will see that the series is actually the series of E. And similarly, if you put k equal to 1 here, you will get 1 plus, then if you put k equal to 2 here, you will get 1 by factorial 1 and then 1 by factorial 2 plus so on. In this way you will get from this expression E also. Now you are getting E from this expression and you are getting another E from this expression. So finally you will get 2E. This is the answer. Okay, I think all of you are understanding this video. So solution. Now if you have any doubt regarding the solution, then you may comment in the chat box. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Okay, sorry, so here is another question. So we have to evaluate the limit. Limit is given as n tends to infinity. The expression is 1 minus 1 upon n square raised to minus n. Now think how to solve this question. So if you can relate this expression with some expression that we have read or you have studied earlier, just think about this. Okay, no problem. Let's see the solution. Just you take the expression as y, or you may assign that expression to any arbitrary variable. Now take log to the both sides. What you will get? You will get log y equals minus n multiplied by log 1 minus 1 upon n square. This is the expression that we will be getting after taking log to both sides. That is log y equals limit n tends to infinity minus n multiplied by log of 1 minus 1 upon n square. Now there is minus n multiplied by log of 1 minus 1 upon n square. If you expand the series of log, you will get this minus 1 upon n square minus 1 upon 2 into n to the power 4 minus 1 upon 3 into n to the power 6 minus and so on. And then you multiply this minus n with the expression in the parenthesis. Then you will be getting all terms will be positive then, because there is a minus with n, and each term in the expression of the parenthesis there is a minus. So each term will be positive then, and you will be getting finally 1 upon n plus, if you multiply this term with 1 upon 2 into n to the power 4, you will be getting plus 1 upon 2 n cube, and similarly so on. And if you take limit n tends to infinity, then what you will get? Limit n tends to infinity will make this term tending to 0, this term tending to 0, and so on. Each and every term of the expression will be tending to 0, because when n tends to infinity, in the denominator this will tends to infinity, and clearly the expressions of each term will be tending to 0. So finally you are getting log y equals 0. That means y equals to 1. So at first we assigned y to the expression limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 upon n square whole to the power minus n. So this will be what? 1. Okay friends, now thank you for watching this video. I think all of you have enjoyed this video. So I am again repeating my lines that if you have any doubt regarding the solution, then you may ask me in the comment box. Thank you friends, see you again.